Sebastian, I am working as Java programmer in Spyro Solution Private Limited. This presentation I am going to discuss about this project title is Concurrent Programming Control Solution. This is one network problem solution. It is mutual exclusion. What is concurrent programming? Concurrent programming is one single chip is process in a at the time multiple process. One single chip responds to multiple process. For this diagram is given. It is system architecture. One node will connect to the main server or proxy server. Every client connected to the proxy server. Proxy server it will connected to the main server. Every node in first is login. Login means it will given the ID and password. Password means IP address and port number. Every login client it will given the proxy of IP. Then one client will send the process to one proxy server. Every client it will send the request to first in proxy server. Proxy server responds to the client. One client send request to the proxy server. Proxy server it will handle the process in request to the main server. Main server is the process and then handling this process, then send to the response to proxy server. Proxy server responds to the client. Then again one client will request to the proxy server means this already old process is given means it will given the same client and another process. It will not working the main server. Another one client will respond in proxy server means it is not given means it will send to main server and it is proxy server. This process is given in multiple process. This is one algorithm is using for LRU. In existing system it is used for FIFO. Some disadvantages are given. It is the main concept of this project. Thank you.